Hello there. Congratulations if you are seeing this video. My name is Sam Ashwaju, the founder of Waawu Advantage. I want to quickly share with you what Waawu Advantage is about so you can have a foundational understanding and begin to build your interest in becoming a part of this amazing financial wave that is happening all across Africa right now. Now, what is Waawu Advantage? Basically, this is the brainwork of 8 amazing professionals across different industries who've come together to build a system that you can leverage on and multiply your income over a period of time and be able to also empower other people in the process. We believe it's not just about the amount of money you can make, it's about the total number of people you can help while you are making your money. So basically, this is a platform that is for you. Now, why should you invest with Waawu Advantage? Number one, we're a registered entity. Waawu Advantage as a program is licensed from the UK. It's registered in Nigeria, it's registered in South Africa, and also registered in Cote d'Ivoire. Secondly, we run a zero loss policy. Because of our diversified investment portfolio, you run almost no risk of losing any of your money, and that's why number 3, we'll make legal agreements with you to protect your money, of course, to indemnify you of any loss and to give you rest of mind, because that is what we're about in Waawu Advantage. And then finally, also, there are amazing mouth-watering bonuses for all our affiliates who decide to share with other people the amazing opportunity embedded in Waawu Advantage. Now, I'm going to share with you some of the packages you can buy. We have 5 investment packages, which ranges from the trader to the executive trader to the tycoon, the premium, which is my personal favorite, and then of course the VIP pack. Now, the trader ranges from $12.5 to $125, and then the executive trader from $127.5 to $750. And then the tycoon ranges from $752.5 to $1,250, and then the premium ranges from $1,252.5 to $2,500, and then of course finally the VIP package ranges from $2,750 to $125,000. Now, there are 4 ways you can make money in Waawu Advantage. The one is meant for you as an investor. The other 3 is meant for the affiliate. So you choose if you want to be an affiliate of Waawu Advantage. So let me talk about your ROI basically. There are 3 ways you can earn your ROI. Is either you earn it every week, or you earn it every fortnight, which is every 2 weeks, or you earn it every 30 working days, which is 6 calendar weeks. Now, if you're doing the weekly, you earn between 3 to 6% if you're on trader, you earn between 4 to 7% if you're on executive trader, and you earn between 4 to 8% on tycoon. The same thing with the premium, between 4 to 8% every week, and then the VIP you earn between 5% to 9%. If you decide to do every 2 weeks, which is the bi-weekly, on trader you have an average of 9% every 2 weeks for 1 year period, which is the total number of your contract. And then you earn 10% on the average if you're an executive trader, you earn 11% on the average if you're on the tycoon, and then you earn 12% on the average for premium, and you earn up to 13% every fortnight if you are a VIP package. And then the major one, the 30 working days, which is a 6 weeks period, you earn 31% as a trader. On average, you earn 33% as an executive trader, you earn 35% as a tycoon, you earn 36% every 6 weeks as a premium, and you earn up to 38% as a VIP pack. Alright, please note that at the beginning of your investment there is a waiting period, which is called the incubation period. The incubation period is the time we use in setting up your investments on the different platforms that we're going to put it in before it starts to yield income for you. So if you're doing weekly and bi-weekly, you have a 20 calendar days waiting period before your weekly or 2 weeks start to count. And if you're doing 30 working days, you have a waiting period of 10 calendar days before your investments start to count. After the incubation period, then we start to count either your 1 week, or we start to count your 2 weeks, or we start to count your 6 weeks. So please get that clear. If we take the premium pack for instance, and then you invest $2,500, if you're in Nigeria, there's around 1 million naira, and you would select the 6 weeks package and you earn 36% every 30 working days, you get to earn $900, which is 360,000 naira every 30 working days, and that's an approximately $7,200 after your 1 year contract period. If you convert that to Nigerian naira, that will give you around 2.88 million naira. Now let's do the math. If you subtract what you now have, what you invested from what you now have, you have an excess of $4,700. That is a mind-blowing increase. That is over 1.92 million naira in profits. Now that is mind-blowing. Now that is just based on when you do nothing, when you just leave your money with us, we trade with it, that is what you earn. But if you want to earn more, then you need to become an affiliate. Now, how do you become a Waawu Advantage affiliate? The company said basically just share the amazing opportunity with your friends around you, and you get to earn in 3 ways. First, you get to earn referral. You earn between 5% to 9% of whatever the people you directly refer are investing. Okay, so if you are perhaps a trader and then you are referring somebody who is a VIP, whatever they are investing, which of course goes into millions in some currencies, you earn direct 5% on whatever they invest immediately. So that is the direct referral. The second one is the indirect referral. So when you build a team between your trader and the VIP, you can earn between the 3rd generation and the 10th generation. You can earn 3%, 2%, down to your 10th generation of the people that you brought. If they become an affiliate and they refer other people, that is mind-blowing. Now guess what? There is no limit to the number of people you can invite or refer to this program. Just keep sharing with them. There is an opportunity where their money can be increased and they can earn either weekly, bi-weekly, or every 30 working days without having to do anything. We take all the risk on your behalf, and then we'll take the risk off your neck by protecting your capital, and let them come be a part of our Advantage, and then they get to earn. As they invest, you are also paid based on that. Now the next one is the leadership bonus. Now this is mind-blowing. This basically is the level you attain when your total investments and the investment of your entire team gets to a certain amount. Then the company ranks you and then pay you some mouth-watering bonus. The 4th stage is the silver stage, and the silver stage you basically need to attain $31,250 in total team sale, and then you're paid $1,250 as your bonus. Now this has to come from at least 2 sales channels, which means you have to refer at least 2 people directly who they and their team have invested a total of $31,000. And the second one is the gold. And the gold rare, you have to amass a total team sale of $62,500, and then you're paid $1,250 plus a beautiful iPhone X. You know, I like the phone. And then the next one, which is the level 3 leaders, is the peer. At the peer, you need to have amassed a total team sale of $125,000, and then you're paid $2,500 as bonus, and then you have a 5-day holiday on the lap of luxury to Dubai. That's mind-blowing. The next one is the leadership stage 4, which is the ruby. In the ruby, you have to amass a total team sale of $250,000, and then you're paid $7,500 as bonus. That is mind-blowing. That's not all. You are entitled to go for another 5-day holiday in the Caribbean with you and any one person that you choose. Your loved one, right? Okay. So that's not all. At the stage 5, which is the emerald, you have a total of 1.25 million in team sale. This has to be contributed from at least 3 sales channels. Each sales channel not doing more than 40% of the total amount. And then here you are paid $25,000 plus a brand new SUV. That is mind-blowing. That's not all. At the level 6 leaders, which is the diamond, $2.5 million in total team sale. You pay $5,000, and then you get to choose either a G-Wagon or a brand new Range Rover Sport. You like that? And finally, $7.5 million in total same sale. You pay $50,000 plus a brand new Ferrari. Now, all of this is available to our affiliates who decide to share this opportunity with other people. Come invest, get trained in different investment markets ranging from cryptocurrency to Forex to real estate and agriculture, and earn in the process while your money also works for you. Why people partner with Waawu Advantage? So let me quickly address your fear. A lot of you have invested in some platforms before, you lost money, some of you lost your integrity in the process. This is going to wipe away your tears, because right here you can relax. Like I like to tell people, Waawu Advantage is the only platform you can put in your money and go to sleep, because there is rest of mind here. Now that is not all. I want you to get back to the person who shared this video with you and find out how to be a part of this amazing organization. We can't wait to welcome you and take you by the hand to your own financial abundance. Amazing things are waiting for our affiliates in this particular new year, and very soon I'm going to meet you personally. Welcome to Waawu Advantage.